Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to Ask Brian Chow. One of my TikTok follower, Ms. Shada Ali, asked me, is OT calculation for shift worker same as normal worker? According to the new Employment Act, we understand that if an employee's salary is less than 4,000 ringgit, he work more than 45 hours per week, he will entitle for OT. But for shift worker, it's a bit different because shift worker normally require to work more than 8 hours per day. According to the example given by Malaysia Employers Federations, we need to refer to the shift roster. In the example, total working hours for first week is 60 hours, second week is 60 hours, and the third week only 15 hours. To calculate OT, we need to add up all the hours, total 135 hours, divide by 3 weeks, and we can get 45 hours per week in general. Meaning, even the employees need to work 12 hours per day, but he's still not entitled for OT. Ms. Shada Ali, I hope this answers your questions. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.